Welcome to One Easy Way. In this video, we will see how to sell a book on the OLX app. Well, not just the books, you can sell almost anything in OLX, for example, cars, bikes, properties, electronic items, and also services like tuition, makeup, driving and so on. All you have to do is just post your ad on OLX. Step 1. Download and install the OLX app on your smartphone. If you have it already, just open the app and select the Sell button at the bottom. Step 2. Since the category of books is not listed in this page, select More categories. Here, you can see books, sports, and hobbies at the bottom. Select this option to get a detailed view of this particular category, and then, select Books. Step 3. Enter the title of the ad and a brief description about your book. After that, select Next. Step 4. In this next page, you have to upload the photo of the book. You can upload more than one photo as well. You can either take a fresh photo using the Take a Picture option, or you can upload the photo already saved in your smartphone. Step 5. Now, at what price do you sell this book? Tricky question, right? Well, the minimum price to post the ad is 25 rupees. Once you have decided and entered the price, select Next. Step 6. Confirm your location and select Next. Review your name and phone number and select Post Now to finally post your ad. Congratulations! You have successfully posted your first ad in OLX. It does take a couple of minutes before your ad goes live in the OLX marketplace. You can preview your ad by selecting Preview Ad. And at any given time, you can see the list of all your ads by selecting My Ads in the OLX app. Thank you for watching this video.